Pension Fund Regulatory Development and Authority. Recruitment for Officer Grade A, that is Assistant Manager 2020. Freshers are eligible for this post. This is the official site of Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA, and this is the application notification. Apply online, recruitment of Officer Grade A, Assistant Manager. If you click here, you will be directed to this notification. Officer Grade A, Manager, Assistant Manager 2020. Let's see what are the important dates. The online application and fee payment, it begins from 16/6/2020 and ends July 31st 2020. Online examination, there will be intimating by email or SMS. No tentative dates are not given. Even online examination, there will be phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is online examination, phase 2 is group discussion and interview. These are the different posts. For general stream, the eligibility criteria is master's degree in any discipline or either a master's degree or a bachelor's degree in law or bachelor's degree in engineering from recognized university, or you have CA degree, EFA, CS, CWA. This is for general stream. There is only one vacancy for OBC and 2 for unreserved candidates. Total of 3 posts, out of which one will be for this PWD. And for legal stream, there are only 2 vacancies for unreserved, total 2 posts, and the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in law from recognized university or institute. So for legal stream, there are 2 posts. This is the scheme of examination for both streams. Phase 1 online examination, the scheme of examination for general stream and legal stream. The first section, which consists of English language, there are 40 questions for 40 marks and the time duration is 35 minutes. There will be also a penalty of 1/4 for the wrong answer in the online examination. And these are for general stream. Apart from English, there is reasoning section, 40 questions, 50 marks, and the time duration is 35 minutes. And for general awareness plus financial sector awareness, there are 40 questions, 40 minutes and 40 marks and 25 minutes time slot. And for computer awareness, there are 40 questions, 40 marks and 25 minutes, and quantitative aptitude, 30 questions, 30 marks and 30 minutes. Total of 190 questions, 200 marks, 150 minutes. This is for general stream. And for legal stream, there are only 2 posts. This is the scheme of examination. It consists of English language, 40 questions, 40 marks and 35 minutes. It is same as the general stream, but additional inclusion is a professional knowledge, which is of 50 questions for 100 marks and time slot is 30 minutes. So total of 240 questions, maximum marks are 300 and duration is 180 minutes. Apart from this, there will be also a descriptive test, that is subjective. There will be 4 legal case studies, each carrying 10 marks. There will be 4 legal case studies, each carrying 10 marks, total of 40 marks. The time allotted for this descriptive test is 30 minutes. So overall, for legal stream, there will be descriptive test apart from online test at the same time. So the total number of questions are 244, 240 plus 4 legal case studies. The maximum marks awarded is 300 plus 40, 310. The time slot is 180 plus 30 minutes, that is 210 minutes. This is a single shift examination. The phase 1 online examination will be conducted in a single shift. They can expect the paper both in English language or Hindi, but the English section will be in English, and the descriptive test which will be in English only. So this is the requisite qualifications. The phase 1 online examination, candidate can apply for both the streams if they are eligible, and they have to appear separately for both the tests. The major criteria: if they apply for both the posts, they shall not be, candidates applying for both the streams shall not be required to appear separately for a common test. They can appear for both tests at one center only. We'll see what is the pay scale for this. So service conditions and pay scales. The pay scale is from 28,000 to around 55,600. This is the grade A, officers grade A pay scale, and including this there are some allowances to be given. And this is the examination centers for phase 1 online examination. For East Zone, Kolkata and Patna. For West Zone, Mumbai, Ahmedabad. For North Zone, Chandigarh, Delhi. For South Zone, Chennai, Hyderabad. And for Central Zone, Bhopal and Nagpur. These are the centers. And regarding the fees, for unreserved or EWS and OBC category, there is a fees of 500. For rest of the persons, there will not be any fees. This is regarding the general stream and legal stream. Recruitment for grade A officer, assistant manager. Remember the dates. The end of the date is 31/7/2020. The online application and payment fees ends on 31 July 2020, and start date is already started, and the tentative date of examination will be given in the due course of time. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel Wi-Fi se Study Karo, so that you will not miss any further updates. If you are first to my channel, I do daily editorials, job updates and technical stuff, and also some of the interesting facts. Thanks for your time. Please do apply. If you are not eligible, please do share with your friends. Please do comment, and all the best. Thank you.